As we make our way down this long driveway, notice how everything around you starts changing. The noise disappears, the trees close in, and suddenly it feels like you've entered your own private world. Tucked away in the countryside of Georgia, this peaceful retreat offers something many buyers are searching for, but rarely find: privacy, usable land, and a setting designed around slowing life down. Before we even step inside the home, take a look around, because the outdoor spaces are what make this property feel truly special. The land immediately creates a homestead atmosphere, with fenced garden areas, raised vegetable beds, fruit trees, flowering plants, and 2 charming garden ponds that add beauty and movement to the landscape. This is the kind of property where your mornings could start by walking through the garden, collecting fresh vegetables, or simply enjoying coffee surrounded by nature instead of traffic and noise. The fenced pasture area creates flexibility for animals or future projects, while additional structures throughout the property add even more functionality. A detached garage, 2 portable carports, and a storage shed provide plenty of room for equipment, tools, hobbies, recreational vehicles, or workshop space. Beyond the open areas, the wooded acreage adds another layer of privacy and natural beauty. Planted pines mixed with mature hardwoods create a scenic backdrop, while trails winding through the property invite you to explore your own land and enjoy the outdoors. Now, stepping inside, the home continues the same connection to nature that begins outside. Built in 2003 with thoughtful design, the home was intentionally created to bring the outdoors in. 4 sets of French doors line one side of the home, filling the living spaces with natural light and providing beautiful views across the gardens, pasture, and surrounding trees. Inside, soaring 16-foot ceilings create a spacious and open feeling, while the wood stove adds warmth and character that perfectly complements the country setting. The layout includes 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a spacious kitchen designed for comfortable daily living. A unique electronically operated cupola helps naturally release warm air, reducing cooling needs during spring and fall months. This isn't just a home with land. It's a peaceful Georgia country retreat designed around privacy, self-sufficiency, and enjoying a slower pace of life.